Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DAR Open Network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DAR Open Network B is an AI powered chain agnostic infrastructure layer designed to serve as a foundational ecosystem for interconnected Web3 applications, games and social experiences. Evolved from a game, it rebranded from their play to earn game Mines of Dalernia in early 2025 into a broader Web3 infrastructure platform, unified ecosystem. It provides core products like a universal digital identity, DAR ID, and a cross application quest system to connect users and developers. Universal Utility Token. The native D token functions as the network's medium of exchange for governance, staking in game purchases, and marketplace transactions. D token. D project institution rating is 3.3. E token total supply is 800 million and circulating supply is around 743.51 million. D token. D token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, BingX, BitHub, Coin, Binance US and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.